Bratz, one of you sent me this, and I'm not really sure what it is, but I'm super thankful. This came in just today, and I was like, we gotta get the cameras going. We gotta find out what this is. Let's open it up. Always have your small, sharp unboxing knife when you need to unbox things, especially something covered in this much tape. I don't know if you can see that, but it is like wall to wall with tape. I'm actually a little scared of trying to open it. So we're gonna take some time on this. We're gonna open it gently. I just sharpened this thing and I already feel like it's not doing the job I want it to. Just the tip, so you don't rip whatever's inside. Ooh, I think I have an idea what this is. Let's put this thing away. We're gonna do this all ceremoniously here. Oh, man. Oh, wow. This is really cool. This looks to be a katana, although actually it's not curved, so maybe considered a traditional sword. I am not a sword expert, so don't take my opinion too seriously here. Okay, maybe I should have kept my other sword actually. Oh God, I'm so scared. It feels weird to be scared of damaging a sword, but I am slightly scared of damaging the sword. Whew, that's even oiled. There was no receipt. Nobody told me who this was from. I have no idea who sent this to me. And I don't know a ton about swords, but this feels pretty serious, I've got to say. It is actually very sharp as it showed up. It looks very straight. It has a great edge on it. Boy, I wish I could tell you more about this. I don't know what this is or where it's from. It seems really nice. Wow. Wow, it's got great weight. Oh, this is so cool. Whoever it is out there, thank you so much. I would really like to know who you were. Unless you really want to remain anonymous, then of course you can. It's really cool. This is definitely gonna become the full-time unboxing knife from now on. I need to like polish it because I just got sword oil all over my hands. That is awesome. I almost feel bad thinking that I'm actually gonna use this like for unboxing, but that was the purpose, I think. That was why it was sent here, I'm guessing. I don't know what else to say, but thank you. This is really cool. I've never had anything like this sent to me before, so thank you so much, whoever you are. Please fess up in the comments, and I will see you in another reality.
When you're ready.
The fact that it came oiled made me think, okay, this is actually serious. This is cool. Who the f sent this to me?